casual day. Wrong city, 3 hours away. Got us a bumper for a car that doesn't need it. Also, Supra. So, not a bad start to a day, I'd say, and it's only 12:30. Let's go get the other goodies now. Alright guys, just got home, 6-hour drive, different cities, crazy little series of events, but we got it. So, first off, we got an 8.8, another 8.8, that's our third 8.8. That one's for the Mustang. Don't know what those are for. Anyway, progress being made. Today we're here for the Beamer. We got us a beautiful M Sport bumper, and then we got this bottom, that's gnarly, I got a couple divots in it. This is used. I thought it was new, so shot in the foot there. This one, brand new, primed and everything, ready to go. So we just gotta scuff this up. This is gonna go black. This going body color, titanium silver, something. So anyway, we're gonna start scuffing this up. I'm gonna do this one off camera. This is just gonna be some rattle can black. So we're basically cleaning her up. Wax grease remover, 400 grit, black. And then this pretty much done. So that's our big project. That I'm gonna scuff down. 600, and then paint. I'm gonna do this one off camera because it's sanding and priming is only so exciting. So I'll bang the bottom piece out, and then you guys are along for the ride for this nugget. Then we get slam this on the car. So let's jump right into this, boys. Alright, well, that's blinding. Alright guys, so I've been vigorously sanding away. I'm dying, it's hot out, so it's pretty late, so it's a good time to start spraying. So once you start, there's no stopping, so we're in for a late night. I did get the bottom diffuser piece done already. That is just sitting off camera. We gotta give it one more good wipe down, and then this thing is ready for base and clear. Hopefully we're gonna have no issues. It's getting late, so the bugs are gonna be hella attracted to it. These things are teetering very close to falling, and once I spray the corners, I'm gonna blast a bunch of shit up into it. So what could possibly go wrong? Go ahead, get some paint mixed up, and start spraying. Base is actually looking really good. Unfortunately, we ran into a snag where the screen on my air gun is completely clogged and caved in and broken, so I had to spray this about 3 inches away, if that, generously. So yeah, I mean, no tiger striping, so that's pretty good, but it didn't go as planned. So I have to go charge the battery for the camera. Took the screen out of the gun, letting this cure and bake for 30 minutes. And then we get a spray clear. So things going okay, I suppose. Could be better, could have been worse. We're getting there though, so almost done, and then we got to bake it for 3 days. Ooh, there's a little bit of gloss. And a bug just landed there. Well, you know what? I kind of hope that's a slow, painful death, because you're really f***ing out my clear coat here, buddy. Ah! Well, other than that, this thing's actually looking pretty good. All right, so we gotta go ahead and start ripping this bumper off. So we have some bolts there, probably some bolts there. There's some stuff underneath, probably. Could be wrong, probably right. So taillights, I think, have to come out. And then, you know, I can't wait to find out those exhaust tips are way too small for the M Sport. Don't have a solution for that either yet. Also, all the holes in the bumper, still don't have a solution for that either yet. So let's just jump right into it and basically rip this one off to the point that we can't go back. Let's do her. So while he's over there sciencing, we got this bumper off. Basically, he's gonna 3D print some plugs for this so I don't have these gnarly ass holes. Can we get them in when the bumper's on? Well, I don't know. Anyway, so, old one's off, new one. Car got a spritz in. Just now realizing I get to lay in that, so. Didn't nail that, but M Sport bumper. Ready to go on. We're gonna take this little bottom delicious little treat off. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, easy, easy. And we're gonna slam this on without gouging the paint, which
we hope.
Yeah, we hope. Worst that can happen. Turns out there's about 1 million of these little plastic clips that are a real pain in the dick to do. So that's been an adventure. But other than that, everything's going pretty well. So let's slam her on.
The lights fall out.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's pretty gnarly, actually. And then, of course, can't not do this, but I also can't do. Oh, that's never coming out again. I don't want you to go in. I just want you to kind of sit there. Oh, okay, you're fully installed. That's noisy.
I'm surprised how different that looks with the back end done up.
The front of my car is so boring now.
Yeah, the front of your car used to be the interesting part with the headlight.
Beautiful, wet sanded, polished, waxed, kind of dirty window. Yeah, not looking great. Bugs on the windshield, a little dirty. And then, oh my God, do you not care about your BMW? It's a bloodbath of bugs. Also, that's incredibly underwhelming at the front. Sides are pretty average. And then just big booty Judy here to party, I guess. I don't know, man. Oh, I gotta step my game up a bit. Alright guys, so this is the rear end. We got our LCI trunk, taillights, we got our M Sport rear bumper, diffuser, everything painted and on, and it is, oh, beauty. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Oh, that's gorgeous. So, super happy with how this turned out. The little plugs we're currently printing, So the little holes, we're currently printing plugs for those. And we do need to address the tiny exhaust tips. But other than that, this thing is beautiful, and I might even lower it a little bit more, just to make her look a little better. So, that's pretty much it for today, guys. I am exhausted. It's been a long day. We did downpipes, rear bumper, and I built a gazebo. So, it's bedtime. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.